Yeah, hallelujah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so for the past months, I've been introducing you to crypto AI bots. Yeah, but the manual way is still working. Yeah, just that, let's say the bank to P2P arbitrage, the rate is now down. Yeah, so if you can do it and you still be getting small profit and stuff, but and the exchange to exchange is still active. But this AI bot is for people who don't have time to trade. People who don't have time to trade, who can't search for signals and trade manually. That's where the AI bot comes in, because this one, it will trade for you. It will connect the exchanges, preheating, arbitraging, and your profit. You get your profit. Yeah. So let me take you through. So you can see that right now I have 1001.5 USDT in my arbitrage wallet, right? Yeah. And I've already traded one, so it's left with my one trade before I'll consume my daily trade. I hope you understand. Before I'll consume my daily trade. Yeah. So you come to, let me come down here. So if you want to deposit, so that we have here, you just have to copy this BEP20 address, then you go to your crypto wallet and you deposit, and the amount that you deposited, you will come here and input, let's say 55, then you input your transaction hash over here, then you submit deposit request before that money can reflect in your regular wallet. So when it reflects in your regular wallet, then you come to your transfer here to transfer the money from regular wallet to arbitrage wallet, and it means that now you can use it to trade. So right now I have 1001, so I'll just 1001.5, then I'll select all and I'll click on execute trade. You can see that is 3, but I'm trading on 1.5, so I'll be getting 15 USDT. So if I click here, you can see that I'll be earning 15.02 USDT per trade. So the twice trade is what? 30 USDT. Is it that thing? Yeah. So right now it's trading for me. So you can see that right now it's trading for me, right? Yeah. So right now it's doing the initialization. Yeah, and after that it will go to preheating and arbitraging, and I make my profit. Yeah. So this is how you easily make money, and I've done a lot of videos about it. And if you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw your money anytime you want. So if you want to withdraw your money, you have to transfer the money from the regular or arbitrage to withdrawal. Then you come to your withdrawal here, then you enter the amount, you enter your BEP20 address, then you request withdrawal, and you withdraw your money just like that. Yeah. So you can see that right now it's doing the preheating right now. So after the preheating, it will go straight to the arbitration, and the twice trade I'll be earning 30 USDT. And you can also withdraw your capital as well. Yeah. So when you're withdrawing your capital, the bot will take its percentage, because the bot trade for you to enjoy the profit and stuff. But if you want to withdraw your capital from the bot, then the bot will take its percentage. Yeah, that's how the bot works. Yeah. So you can see that it's doing the preheating. So that after the preheating, it will go straight to the arbitration.
Crypto kingpin, call me Kenny Rhymes. Crypto lord in the game, stacking dimes, wallets fat. fat as jumbo shrimps. Flipping coins, bitten coins like a forklift pimp. Golden chains, they glisten like the blockchain. Every trade, sicker than a migraine. Charts moving, my fingers steady. Crypto lord, calculators at the ready. Load up the crypto.
So you can see that it's doing the preheating. So it's almost done with the preheating, and right now it's doing the arbitraging. Yeah. So you can just wait, and or you can cut the screen and attend to anything that you're doing, and when it's done, it will add up. It will add up to your regular wallet. Yeah, it will add up to it. Then just cash out, chop your money, and that's it. Just simple life like that. Yeah. So you can see that he's doing the arbitraging. Alright.
Crypto wealth, got the last laugh. From pennies to stacks, play or get played. Crypto lord, live it every trade. Every trade.
So you can see he's doing the arbitraging. Doing the arbitraging. So he's doing the arbitraging. So I just have to wait. Yeah. That's why I'm waiting. Yeah. That's why I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Yeah.
Machine, huh? Crypto lord teaching till kingdom come. Webinars popping, get on the train. Crypto
So,
knowledge
how
flowing
to
like
reach?
champagne. Digital hustler, call it blockchain rain. Kenny rhymes, riches I obtain. Lambos parked, futures in my grasp. Crypto wealth, got the last laugh. From pennies to stacks, play or get played.
So you can see that the arbitraging is almost done. Yeah. And right now I have 17, right? I have 17. So when it's done, you will see that it will top up here. So let's see. So it's done, and it's doing the finalizing. It's confirming transaction and calculating profit. Yeah.
Webinars popping, get on the train. Crypto knowledge flowing like champagne. Digital hustler, call it blockchain rain. Kenny rhymes, riches I obtain. Lambos park, futures in my grasp.
So it's doing finalizing everything. Yeah. So it's done. Everything is that it have add up to it. Yeah. And I can withdraw all this. I can withdraw it without paying anything. So you can withdraw my regular the regular to 32, right? 32. So I can withdraw. If I click on transfer, it will transfer it to my withdrawal without paying anything. Then it will add up to the withdrawal. So if I'm withdrawing my money in the withdrawal, you can only withdraw money in the withdrawal wallet. So if I'm withdrawing my money in my withdrawal wallet, I'll just pay just $1 USDT as network fee, and that one is normal. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and if you need the bot, it's just $40. I'll video call you as well and show you how to use the bot and stuff. Yeah.